everybody, this is Manisha Sharma and I really welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing exceptionally good. So today I'm try to give you 3 or 4 new vocabulary that I just grabbed from the conversation by seeing the conversation videos, and this is a spoken vocabulary, guys. So if you are thinking that I have a dictionary, I have the phone, and we will gonna make a list of the lot of 100 and 1,000 words and I'll be gonna mug it up, that will not going to work for anyone and not going to work for you guys, right? What you have to do, just grab one. If you are just grab one or maximum two words for a day, and try to incorporate that word in your day-to-day conversation, guys. It must. What I'm doing, like, I'm giving you 3 4 words today, and please note it down. Just take a pen and copy and write it down, and after when I just give you this kind of words to you, just try to make a story on those words, try to communicate and try to use those words actually with someone. Please do that. You just learn 2 words only, you don't need to work just your mind so much vocabulary. You don't need to do that. You just learn 1 or 2 words in a day, but making sure that you are just incorporate those words with communicating. There are a lot of apps available, because I'm also a beginner of this journey, so I'm just sharing my experiences with you guys. So you can just download the Skype app and just make a kind of a group where whenever you are getting the time, you can just have a conversation with one or other 2 person, and try to just put your copy aside. And whenever you are just, for example, I'm giving you one example. So there is a synonym of excitement. Yeah, we whenever we are talking, we say no, yeah, I'm very much excited. So skip this word and just put synonym of this: exhilarated. Oh, all right, ma'am, I'm having a very good conversation with you. I'm feeling so exhilarated to have a conversation with you. I just change the word and I just sound like a pro. Are you understand my words? Are you getting me? So I'm also doing that. Yeah, I just make a register of it. I'm just using, write it down, pen down the new words day to day. And please, guys, do that. If you want me to contact, I gave my number on the description, and you can just go there and contact me for online classes or other any for guidance, right? So where I am just giving you one tip. Like yes So first of all, let's talk about the 3 4 vocabulary. So first, I'm gonna give you the worst is lucid. Lucid, lucid means very much crystal clear and easy to understand. It could be, you can just use it in a way that right. So lucid, we can say, we can just incorporate this word into our conversation. We can say that this chapter is so lucid. Your speech is so lucid, easy, and clear and easy to understand. So just try to fit this advanced word in your vocabulary, in your communication, guys. So this is how you're gonna do it. And I really want to say, guys, please support me, because my channel is not growing. I'm really doing a lot of hard work, but it's okay. Please subscribe the channel, and you will get a lot of good information on this channel, trust me, guys. So I really want to share my experience. Meanwhile, 3 4 days ago, I was so frustrated, because I was in a despair, and because I was started comparing myself to other very fluent speaker. And yeah, it is happening. I'm a very honest girl. Just like a transparent. I'm like a mirror. Whatever inside me, I speak out. Right. So I started comparing with myself lots of good speaker like Mopriya, and there are lots of good one in the market nowadays. There are lots of. So this thing I've just I just opening my my phone, and I started watching my subscriber, how many subscriber it is increasing or not, it is increasing or not, and why I'm not able to speak fluently, why I'm stalking, why I'm not doing this, why I'm not doing this, and there are lots of things to do. I have to what because being a mother, being a entrepreneur, I have to take care of lots of things. So there's such a chaos in my mind, yeah, seriously. So what I do, I one day, 3 4 days ago, I sat and I cried a lot. It just, I brimming with lot of frustration, seriously, and cried a lot. I brushed it out, and after it took me 3 or 4 days to get rid out of it. Sometimes it happens. So first thing I learned this: just concentrate on your work, on your channel, what you can do with the possible environment, because everyone has a different day, everyone has a different facilities, everyone has different kind of accessibility. So don't compare your journey to the others, right? So that thing I learned. So I because I have been on this journey, yeah, one last month. So I haven't I didn't have any idea, so how how it's going on, or how does it work. So I'm also learning, I'm also doing a lot of things here. So I cried a lot. I just burst it out with my anger, and I'm very kind of a person that I'm very impatient. Yeah. Since my childhood, I'm a very impatient person. If I'm just putting my efforts in something, I really need results. If I'm not getting in, I feel frustrated. I feel drained. I feel swamped, right? So now, yeah, I have that confidence, because 3 4 year within 1 week I didn't upload any kind of video on my channel, and I just try to get in touch with the one and another people, because I have to work on my confidence first. Yes, although I'm just running a academy, I have some international clients as well to speak on, but still I wasn't satisfied with my performance. I speak like a advanced speaker, and somewhere I got stuck in the intermediate level, so I wasn't, yeah, but now I have that confidence, I can beat anyone. Yes, I can. So first thing I learned that don't focus. If you're focusing here, there, you are not able to focus on yourself. And second thing, just believe in yourself. Please do that, guys. You is, power. You are unique, and this is your power, seriously. And those women, those girls who I really want to connect with me, please, my number is in the description box. Please try to connect me for the online sessions or online classes. All right, guys. So yeah, now come to the second word. The second word is obsolete. ऑब्सोलेट, या ऑब्सोलेट का मतलब होता है जैसे कोई भी चीज अगर आप अपग्रेड नहीं करते हो तो वो ज्यादा दिन के लिए फिर देर इज नो लॉन्गर यूजेबल, राइट? सो ऑब्सोलेट का मतलब होता है, बिकॉज आई हैव रिटन ऑल द थिंग्स इन माई रजिस्टर, no longer useful because something better has been invented in the market. So we can say that. So obsolete means no longer usable, and because something better has invented in the market, so you can use that. Nokia phone has become obsolete because iPhone has invented or launched in the market nowadays. So now you are also, you can say that people who are not upgrading their skills, they become obsolete. Okay, no longer useful, no longer we can say no longer useful, no longer useful. All right guys, so I really don't know about lots of editing, so I'm just upload my, whenever I just make the video and I just upload it as it is. So if you are liking my way, so you can just subscribe it, and please guys, I really want to, you know, subscribe my channel because I really need that. And yes, so second word is obsolete. The third word is, you know, I can give you reluctantly. Yeah, this is the very good word. Yeah, reluctantly, इसका मतलब होता है अनचाहे मन से, मन ना करना फिर भी करना पड़ता है, होता है ना ये, है ना? तो reluctantly. Suppose I got up early in the morning yesterday late, and then my mother came into my house, in my room, and she said that please go to the market and buy some vegetables. I really didn't want to go, but I had to go reluctantly because, you know, otherwise I got a slap from my mother. So we can say that reluctantly, अनचाहे मन से करना पड़ा. So okay, I really don't want to have my dinner, but I have to do my dinner reluctantly. Okay, there was no option at all, so reluctantly you can use. So three words I have given you. First is lucid, second is obsolete, and third one is what? Reluctantly. Okay, so guys, please like my videos, please support me. I really request, if you really want to have a conversation video with me, or you really want to, you know, start your online journey, start your English journey with me, so you can just contact me. I'm just teaching some of the international students right now, and yeah, they are really like the way I'm teaching them. Please, so contact me. Okay, thank you so much guys, bye bye.